Hi everyone, Sherry here with Jessica's Tunisian Crochet Graphghan Boutique. Today I'm going to show you how to work the Tunisian knit stitch. You may be familiar with the Tunisian simple stitch where you would work through the front vertical bar, yarn over and pull through. For the Tunisian knit stitch, what you would do is, this is the front vertical bar and this is the back vertical bar. What you will do is insert your hook in between those two vertical bars, yarn over and pull through to create that knit stitch. So, in between those two vertical bars, yarn over and pull through. There's the two vertical bars, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Okay, once again, there's the two vertical bars. You insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Make sure you're going in between those two vertical bars. Otherwise, if you do just in between the two stitches, it's not going to create that knit look. So what you want to do is go in between the two vertical bars, the front and the back, to create that knit stitch. Now we're to the last knit stitch, so work as normal. Now for your edge stitch here, if you turn it towards you, you can see these two loops. What you want to do is insert your hook into those two loops, yarn over and pull through. It creates a very nice, neat edge, which makes it easier to connect or join blocks to. For our return pass, you just yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, and you'll be yarning over and pulling through two across the row until you get to one loop left on your hook. So this, get that hook out of there, is the result. It's a really nice dense fabric. If this has a lot of play in it right here because I used a K or a 6.5 millimeter hook. If you want a denser fabric, just go down a size. If you want a looser fabric, go up a size. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to join us at our Facebook group. Thank you.